right, with our frozen corn, we're gonna add some jalapenos. And do half of that jar. Go ahead and get that mixed in with our corn. Let that corn thaw a little bit before we add our next ingredients. This is gonna be a super easy and delicious little game day appetizer. Oh my goodness. I absolutely love corn. I love jalapenos, and I'm gonna love this appetizer. Yum. All right, once our corn is cooked, we're gonna season this up. I have some onion powder that we're just gonna sprinkle on in there. Look at that steam, oh my goodness. You can add as much or as little onion powder as you like. And then my secret ingredient, we have our bouillon, is that how you say it?
Better than bouillon.
Bouillon? Okay,
Bouillon.
see, you know better than I do. And we're just gonna add 1 tablespoon of this into our corn. I know that seems a little untraditional, but it's gonna add great flavor. All right, and we're gonna go ahead and mix that together so that seasoning and that bouillon gets evenly distributed with our corn and our jalapenos. This is already almost done. That's how quick this appetizer is. I absolutely love just throwing this together when some unexpected guests come. I love corn, so I always have it in my freezer, but this is already smelling delicious, huh, babe?
Oh my goodness, I love using that seasoning.
Oh yeah, it's just a game changer. Okay, once we get that nice and mixed in, we are coming in with our heavy whipping cream, and we're gonna slowly pour this into our cast iron. And we're gonna add about 1.5 cups of our heavy whipping cream into our corn and jalapenos. Oh my, give it another mix. We're gonna let that heavy cream sit in there for a little bit, let it get nice and warmed up before we add our next ingredient.
I think I can see it simmering.
Oh yeah. All right, we let this simmer for about 2 minutes. Now I'm bringing in my Monterey Jack cheese that I shredded. Oh my goodness. And then last but not least, our mild cheddar shredded. We're gonna add both of those into our cast iron and get this nice and mixed and melted. Oh my. Now you can use whatever cheeses you want, but the Monterey and the cheddar are just so perfect with those jalapenos, with that corn, and look at it thicken up. Now, if you feel like it's a little too thick, you can add some more heavy cream, but just be careful because you want to make sure that heavy cream is the right temperature for this delicious appetizer. All right, we're gonna keep mixing this until that cheese is melted. Oh my goodness, look at this crazy corn cheese dip. Oh yeah, that is ready.
Oh, that looks so good, nice and stringy.
All right, time to get the chips. Okay, got my favorite chips, the Cantina Tostitos. Let's see if they're strong enough to grab our cheese dip. Oh my gosh, that looks so good. Mm. 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 That is the best dip I've ever made. It's so good, you guys. You have to try it.